We have several different types of Restore. We have a Restore Professional formula, which is our professional whey blend. That has all the goodies, right? I call that the puppy chow, right? It has the colostrum, it has the whey, it has prebiotics and dietary fiber. It has a hormone support with pregnenolone. Now, pregnenolone is a parent hormone to DHEA, progesterone, estrogen, testosterone. So it's going to help balance the hormone balance and really helps with adrenal support and somebody who might have some significant stress issues. And then we also have the Pro that has immune support with colostrum. And so colostrum really helps with active recovery, muscle fatigue. It really helps boost that. It really helps with boosting immune systems. So if we look at folks who need that adrenaline support, who need immune support, and really need anything and everything that they can to help them process what's going into their bodies, that's why we have the Whey Restore Whey Professional and the SAMe and the lithium orotate on that. So SAMe is a master methylator, and then the lithium orotate also helps with that, and then mood stabilization. The challenge was we said, okay, well, wait, there are some people that actually can't tolerate dairy. So even though the whey that we have in the Professional is hypoallergenic, it's cold processed, cold filtered, the colostrum doesn't actually have any lactate in it, so it's not going to deal with people with lactose intolerance. We still said, okay, well, we need to have a veggie formula. And Dr. Tennant said, well, wait, we still need some people that need some hormone support. So let's go ahead and keep the pregnenolone. We still need additional methylation support. So let's go ahead and use the SAMe and lithium orotate. And then he said, well, wait a minute. There are other people that don't actually need that, and they just need basic maintenance. Like, how can we actually put something in here for that? And that's what we have is Restore, non-professional. They all have 22 grams of protein. They all have prebiotics and dietary fiber. They all have amino acids and omega-3s.